Hey guys, it's Brianna from Twins Forever, and Madeline here is playing with someone else. And yeah, today I'll be showing you all the slimes in the bathroom. And yeah, but before we start, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the song, and comment that you like me. Bye. So this first slime is a jiggly slime that I think is kind of cool. It is stretchy. It does poke. You can make some crunch sounds. Well, I messed up on that, but really you can make. Okay, I'll do it. Yeah, I don't think it can. Whatever. So yeah, this is the first one. The second slime is blue slime. I just added some pink and then it turned purple. I didn't like it, so I added some blue and then it turned out to be this. Yeah. So that's my life. Mostly the slime's life. Yeah. So yeah, it is pokey. It is stretchy. I love it so much. And yeah. So you can make bubbles this time, and you can make some crunch sounds. See? Yeah. So I really love this one. It's like the best one I have right now. And yeah. Wait. Ta-da! So yeah. Okay. So now, the next time I'm gonna show you. I'm getting a slime, guys, so be patient. I'm only going to get some half of it. I'm not going to get the whole thing. It's a really little I have for it. So this next slime I have is like a butter slime. It's actually Play-Doh slime, and it's not really good for me. It's like my least favorite. It sticks a lot, but it's like a butter slime, so you can see. It's like really easy to spread and stuff. And I'm just gonna put it on. Yeah, and I'm gonna get the next slime. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm sorry it took forever, but I got two of more of my slimes. So this next slime is a purple glossy slime that is like the same as the second one I just showed you. Very nice. It's really pokey. You can make crunch sounds. It's just a little bit more wet. So yeah, you can do whatever you want. I don't know what did break, but it is okay. So yeah. Okay. This next slime is supposed to be like a purple or pink. I don't know why it's brown. It's not really a nice color, but oh yeah, right. We added white slime. I added some white slime to it, so it got lighter. And this was not really a pretty color, but it's still perfect. It's like the same sort of glossy though. Have some glitter. You can squeeze it in a bubble, stretch it, everything. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna get about 2 slimes and I'll be right back. Okay, so we got the last 3 slimes. So yeah, this first, I'll just show you this one first. It is a jiggly slime. It's really nice. It's pretty fun to play with. It's like a blue. It's just really fun to do. It's not that stretchy, but then it is. And you can make crunch sounds, I think. Let me try. Yeah, you can. And you can make bubbles. So yeah, it feels like you would think that this was like a slime giveaway, but I'm sorry. I'm not gonna ever do a slime giveaway with these slimes. I might one day with some. It's one of the slimes I have. So yeah. You know how I said subscribe and all that with the slime giveaway? I'm not gonna get slime giveaway. Okay, so this next slime is a really nice slime that I love and that my friend made. It's really cool. It makes a lot of crunch sounds. It's stretchy. Oh, it broke, sorry. But that's like a slime filler. Okay, so yeah. Ooh, my slime's really nice. It's stretchy. You can make crunch sound. I'm gonna make one right now. In the bubble. So yeah. This last and biggest slime is the best one. It is what my sister showed when she said it was a tree slime. It's like a butter slime. It's like a really hard feeling, but it's really nice. Super stretchy. It's like it will never break. Super cool. And then like crunch sound. It's like the best slime. The most and best. You can do a lot with it. Okay, I'm gonna make a crunch sound in the bubble. Well, it's not really making, but then it is. Okay, I'll just do it again. So yeah guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. So that was all. I don't know how much slime is in the count. Okay. I don't know. I'm just not. So yeah, I hope you like it. So please just subscribe, like it, and just comment anything.